Federal government don't talk again, say them they committed to protect the rights of workers, boost economic recovery, and maintain freedom, as Naija workers celebrate 2025 International Workers' Day for Thursday. For the May Day rally wey shele for Abuja, Minister of Labour and Employment, Dr. Muhammad Megeri Dinyadi, wey represent Presido Bola Tinubu, hail Naija workers, say even with all the economic wahala, dem still dey stand strong. As e dey talk, im tell workers say government dey hear their complaint and dem dey handle everything inside the Tinubu government renewed hope agenda.
I wish to extend my heartfelt felicitations and gratitude to the hardworking men and the women, the backbone of our society, whose dedication and resilience drive the engine of the Nigerian economy and uphold the values of our dear nation. Your contributions in fostering dialogue, promoting workers' rights, and ensuring that the voices of Nigeria's workers' workforce are always heard, loud and clear. Your efforts and sacrifices have not only uplifted the lives of your members, but have also contributed to the betterment of our society. As we mark this day, let us reaffirm our shared commitment to a nation where workers are safe, empowered, and have the freedom to actively participate in shaping the future of our dear country.
For another talk, the Presidos of Nigeria Labour Congress, NLC, Joe Ajaero, and Trade Union Congress, TUC, Festus Osifo, cry put for the bad conditions wey workers dey face across the country. Dem beg government make dem sharparly chook eye for the 70% minimum wage because of the way things just dey cost anyhow. Labour people also vex say the killings for the country don too much.
Remember the struggle for 70,000 minimum wage, a victory still defied by many governments. The struggle for this continues. Compliance must be assured. And beyond this, we must demand living wage. One that lifts workers from the grip of hardship. We must build a movement that does not beg for crumbs, but demands for bread. We have begged with our sweat.
Nigerian workers are living. We are hungry. We feel betrayed. Is it a crime to be a worker in Nigeria? Must we toil endlessly only to sink deeper into poverty? Our sweat fuels this nation's wealth. Yes, we are repaid with indignity and starvation wage. This injustice must end. No worker should be a beggar. No worker should live in penury for serving the nation. Stop the compression of civic space. Number 2, implement minimum wage that reflect current realities. Number 3, withdraw exploitative tax bill. Number 4, reduce telecom tariffs as agreed from 50 to 35%.
Meanwhile, chairperson of Nigerian Union of Journalists (NUJ) FCT chapter, Comrade Grace Ike, talk say journalists dey play important role for society. She still talk say dem go continue to promote correct journalism, and she beg make dem better the welfare of media people and also help all workers for Nigeria.
We made it a point of call, a point of duty coming on board that will make sure we will promote, champion the working condition, better working condition of every journalist in the FCT. Not just that, ethical journalism, as well as ensure that we hold one another, embrace one another, remain steadfast, committed to serving the public in honesty and courage. So for me, I also want to use this medium to call on employers of labor, particularly in the media industry. Please take the issue of welfare for your staff as top priority. It's just like garbage in, garbage out. If they are in a good working condition, they report very well, and for me, it will be a step in the right direction. We will continue to write a story for a better tomorrow.
Other workers from different unions follow talk about the working condition for the country. Dem call government make dem do better reforms to guarantee better treatment, good pay, and job security. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimwa, TMC News.